I love you, baby. I'm not. I don't want to open it. I'm scared of you. It's a little opening right there. Ah! Yeah, brother, don't do that. I love you. At least you don't have to worry about it pooping on your head. I was scared. I love you, Birdie. I love you, Birdie. I love you, Birdie. I love you. I love you. I hope it doesn't poop on the thing. That's because they like us because we're beautiful. Birds only go to beautiful people's houses. That means you're beautiful, Grandma. Come here. Ah, I'm scared. Don't open it because then it's going to fly in here. No, it's going to come in here. You leave it alone. Ah! Stop it. It's trying to find its way out. Birds are smart. Birds are smart. It'll find its way out. If I could pass a star test, it could fly out. That means birds are smart, Mama. Because I'm trying to say that I'm smart, but well, it is kind of beautiful, though. I want to kiss it. I love you, Birdie. I love you, Birdie. I love you. I love you. Kiss it. I love you, Birdie.